Hello, friends. Hope you're all doing well. So, today I'm going to make two recipes that can be used for people who are fasting. So, these are veggies of the sweet potato. So, one sweet potato washed, and I've kept the skin, but you can remove it if you like. So, I've cut them into veggies and very simple ingredients: salt to taste, black pepper powder, and then I have taken olive oil. So these are the ingredients you need. So what I'm going to do is put in olive oil, maybe one and a half teaspoons. Coat it well. Add salt per taste. You can also use pink salt if you like, or rock salt. And then black pepper powder. So I have roughly crushed it. And then give it a good stir. And then this goes in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Do check in between. If it's well cooked, then you can remove it or you can keep it for slightly longer. So while our sweet potatoes are baking in the oven, shall we make the next dish? So it's using foxnuts or lotus seeds. I'm going to make pudding or kheer. These foxnuts, if you look up online, it is very rich in nutrients. So it helps with controlling cholesterol, good for diabetics. It's very rich in magnesium, iron, and calcium. So yeah, this is a key ingredient. So I've taken half a bowl of foxnuts or lotus seeds, 1 cup of milk. You have clarified butter. This is more for garnishing. So almond, then cardamom powder. I've taken brown sugar. You can use normal sugar as well, but I generally use brown sugar. Raisins, pistachios, and a few strands of saffron. So let's make a start. So put a deep pan on the gas. Let's start with adding ghee or clarified butter to it. Once the butter starts melting, just add the makhana to it or the fox nuts. In goes fox nuts, and then gently mix it up and stir it until you can see the color changing. Fox nuts are quite commonly used in north of India, particularly during fasting, because it keeps you going without having any additional grains. As I said, it has a lot of good nutrients to it. So next goes in the raisins. You don't need to over toast it, just slight toast until you see that they've turned pink in color. And then next goes in milk. So I've taken 1 mug of milk. And then 1.5 teaspoons of brown sugar. Make sure that you keep stirring in between, otherwise milk will settle on the bottom. And keep the gas on low so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Bring it to a boil. So you can see that the milk is boiling, and at this stage I'm going to add a few strands of saffron. Half a spoon of cardamom powder, and then pistachio and almonds. Keep some for garnishing though. Let the nuts, the raisins and saffron mix together, and once it comes to a boil you'll see that because of the saffron the milk is going to turn yellow in color. So keep stirring. So this has been boiling for 5 to 7 minutes, and you can see that the milk has turned yellow. So then saffron has nicely mixed, and the foxnuts have softened as well. So at this stage, just turn the gas off. Let it cool down a little bit before you garnish and serve. So our pudding is done, and you can also see that sweet potatoes are nicely baked and ready to serve. And voila, this is how it looks like. So our sweet potatoes served with yogurt and our foxnut kheer or Makhana kheer is ready. I hope you enjoy these recipes. Do let me know in the comment section if you have tried it out, and if you like it, do share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.